In central Turkey, Cappadocia is a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Combining both natural and man-made beauty, it's a spellbinding destination. The region combines 5 provinces featuring awe-inspiring desert landscapes packed with rock chimneys, rolling hills, and deep valleys that reflect the early morning light. Travelers come to Cappadocia to see it from above. The openness of the scenery works well with a slow rising sun, whose beams create a dancing mass of shadows and light. There's much to see on the ground as well, from charming towns and underground cities to ancient churches and historic caves.